Hey friends, how are you today? In the previous section, we have created our design in Adobe XD, and in this section, we are going to convert that design in Android Studio. But before we are going to the tutorial, I'm so grateful if you want to click the subscribe button to make this channel growing up. Okay, thank you so much, and let's get started with my video. Okay, first of all, I want to say sorry for my English is not good. So if the word I use are incorrect, please help me to point out. Okay, so previously we have created our design in Adobe XD, and in this series we are going to make it real in Android Studio. Okay, our previous design it's look like this. We have create two screen, login screen, and then welcome screen. First, we need to export every component of this design. If you want to export my design, you can click my design link in the description below. Okay, we need to export like illustration, and then colors, and then fonts and more. So first we need to export this illustration. Just select and then select this and then export and select it. And for the illustration, I choose format SVG and just export, and then this and more. After you have export our design, we need to open Android Studio. And then we select start a new Android Studio project and select empty activity. And then for the name, I give it MyLearning app. And for the language, I choose Java. And for the minimum API, I choose 21. And for the location, choose location you prefer, and then just select finish. And then just wait until the Gradle process is done. Okay, for your information, my computer is i5 8th generation, or you can check it on this description. And in this series, I use Android Studio version 3.4.2. But I think it's no problem if you are using version 3 point anything. So we have created our project in Android Studio, and as we can see here, we have main activity.java and then activity main.xml. And for the first step, we need to go to activity main.xml, and we can select preview here, and we need to delete text view, and we go to the design. We need to add text, and then illustration, image view, and then edit text, button, and more. So firstly, we need to add text view here. I'm sorry, text view. And then for the layout width, I set it to wrap content, and then wrap content. And for the text, I set it to MyLearning dot. And then for the size, text size, I set it to, we can see here, just click and we can see 96 pixel. So we can, for this section I use constraint layout, constraint to top, left, right, to make it center. And then we need to add another text view, wrap content. And for the text, learn anything or something from anywhere. This just tagline. For the size, we set it to, we can see here, 32. Okay, and constraint, we can zoom in. Okay, for the font family, I set it in the last. So the next we need to add this illustration. So we need to add image view here, image view, and then we need to import our drawable. Just right click and then new, and then vector assets, and local file, and then we search our file. Okay, I'm sorry, we need to right click here and then vector assets, local file, and search our file. My file is on the save illustration login, and just override and then select next and then finish, and do same with another bottom. Welcome, next, finish, and another one, illustration welcome, okay, next, and finish. Okay, so for the width, we can set it to, I'm sorry, we can set background and illustration login, and then for the width I set it to and then for the height, and we constrain to another to make it center, give some margin, Okay, look awesome. And for the next, we need to add edit text. Okay, and for the edit text, we need to set width, and then for the background, we need to copy this to this drawable. Just right click and then paste and drawable. Okay, and we can see here, and we can make it bottom, make it below the illustration, and then we need to copy this and then paste here. And then change this to copy this and then paste here. Okay, and we add another one, edit text here, and like the before, and for the background, and then we align it below the username. So look like this, and then we add text view. We can see forgot your password, maybe web content, and for the text, forgot your password, and for the font, maybe text size, we set it to, we can check here, and okay, look like this. And then we add button, circle button, and for the background and then okay, and then we add label, maybe text view, I mean, and then wrap content, and then for the text, sign in, and then for the text size we set it to 48 pixel, and then the last we add text view. For the text we set it to don't you have an account create, maybe this, okay, and then we need to import our font. Just right click on the res directory and then select new and then Android resource directory, and then for the resource type we set it to font and just select OK, and we need to copy this font and then paste this. Okay, and for the MyLearning, where are you, MyLearning? Font family, and then for this font family, and then for this and then this one, and then we can set it to pixel 3 for this one, the last, maybe we add this. Okay, we add another text view, content. Okay, and for the edit text, set font family to semi bold, and then for the text size set it to 40 pixel. Just copy. And then we need to and for the margin left, set it to okay, and input type password. Okay, and we will try. I think it looks similar. We will try to run this. I run on my physical device using screen mirroring app. So we can see this one, and okay. So just select install. As we can see here, okay, try again, and then we need to add another. Okay, we need to remove action bar. For the style here, no action bar, and we need to replace color. Just copy this and then this color and the second. And then maybe need to add like padding. Okay, it item maybe and start again. Uninstall first and then try again. Install. It's still bad. No problem. Okay, for the color, okay, still bad. Okay, try again. install. Okay. Still bad. Okay. Try again. Install. Okay, as we can see, it's look awesome. We can compare with design. Okay, it look similar. Just give some padding. Okay, we need to okay, the next step is we need to add another screen like this. So when we move into another activity or another window, it will give animation like this. Boom, from the bottom to the up. Look like this. We can see again when we click this button. Okay, and first we need to add new activity, empty activity, and then just name welcome activity. Just select finish and just close welcome activity.java, and then inside this welcome activity we can see we need text view, and then image view, and then image view, button, and text view. So we need to copy from this image text view, copying this, and we need to align to the left, and hello Tom, and then start learning now, start learning now. And then we need to add image view, and for the width set it to, and then for the background illustration welcome, and then below this okay, look like this, and then we add maybe image view, and then for the background okay, look like this, and then we add button, maybe like the before, and for the background look like this, align to the center, okay, awesome. And for the last, we need to add text view, maybe wrap content, and then for the text, swipe up, and then for the text size, set it to like this one, and then for the font family, set it to semi bold, and then and for the color, text color, set it to white. Okay, I'm sorry, I forget to copy hex color, and we need to create a new color. I'm sorry, color name, maybe color text, and we can text color, color text, and we need to copy on every text or component. Okay, this button to new activity. So for this job, we need to use library called indent animation. We can search it on GitHub, so we can see here, and we need to copy this to Gradle, and then we need to copy this and then paste here, implementation, and for the last okay, just singing now. Okay, and now we need to import. We can import this and then just paste here, and then we need to create on click method. And then main activity dot this, and the last the second activity dot class, and we need to call this and we need to copy bottom to up, replace this, we can add this. Okay, and now we can try to run, and we can see how it's work. Okay, maybe Tom Holland and random password. And just press this button, boom. As we can see now, we can see indent animation. It's so hard. We can try again. Boom. Hello Tom, start learning now, swipe up and more. We can fix this for the last. Okay, as we can see here, just press this button, boom, awesome. So we can compare with the design, with the prototype. This is prototype, and this one is so we can compare. Okay, it's look similar. Okay, I think enough for this section. If you want to download my project file, link in the description below. And if you have any questions or comment, write it down on the comment field. Thank you so much, and see you again on the next video.